Have you ever wondered about the fascinating world of trains? Let's get started. Container train. A container train is designed specifically to transport intermodal containers. Monorail. The monorail glided smoothly above the city. Bullet train. The bullet train zipped effortlessly across the landscape. Regional rail. The regional rail connects small towns with a bustling city. Oil train. The oil train rumbled steadily along the tracks, carrying its heavy cargo. Electric locomotive. The electric locomotive surged forward with quiet power. High-speed train. The high-speed train sliced through the countryside at incredible speeds. Commuter train. The commuter train filled with passengers during the morning rush. Inspection train. The inspection train carefully examined the tracks for safety. Auto train. The auto train transported vehicles and passengers across the country. Freight train. The freight train rumbled by, loaded with containers and cargo. Railbus. The railbus quickly shuttled passengers between remote stations. Passenger train. The passenger train departed on time, filled with eager travelers. Light rail. The light rail glided smoothly through the city streets. Metro train. The metro train sped underground, connecting bustling neighborhoods. Double-decker train. The double-decker train offered panoramic views from its upper level. Tourist train. The tourist train meandered through scenic landscapes, delighting its passengers. Rack railway. The rack railway climbed steep hills with ease, offering breathtaking views. Mining train. The mining train transported heavy loads of ore from the depths of the mine. Construction train. The construction train delivered materials to the worksite, facilitating progress. Subway train. The subway train rushed through the tunnels, carrying commuters to their destinations. Track maintenance train. The track maintenance train inspected and repaired the railway lines diligently. Winch train. The winch train carefully pulled heavy loads up the steep incline. Intercity train. The intercity train connected major cities, making travel quick and convenient. Tanker train. The tanker train rolled along the tracks, filled with liquid cargo for transport. Mixed freight. The mixed freight train carried a variety of goods, from containers to automobiles. Cable car. The cable car glided smoothly up the mountainside, offering stunning views. Airport rail link. The airport rail link whisked travelers directly to the terminal in minutes. Diesel locomotive. The diesel locomotive chugged powerfully along the tracks, pulling a long line of freight cars. Steam locomotive. The steam locomotive billowed smoke as it chugged along the historic route. Heritage train. The heritage train traveled through picturesque landscapes, showcasing a bygone era of rail travel. Tram train. A tram train is a hybrid vehicle that operates on both tram and train tracks. Funicular. Funiculars are often found in hilly or mountainous regions, providing efficient transportation while offering scenic views. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.